If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Alright, this is an experiment to prove that dogs really don't understand what you're saying. They just go off your emotion and your face. See, I can come over to Mr. Ben here and you see he's doing very well, tail's wagging, he's nice and happy. But if I turn around and I start telling him just how much I love him, you are the cutest thing in the entire world, I love you more than anything. You see? Nothing. But if I turn around and go, "Hi, stupid, I fucking hate you. I hope you die in a fire. Yes, yes I do. I hope someone shoots you in your fucking face." He's fine.
What?
What are you doing?
Oh, hell no! Hey! What happened?
Apparently, everyone on TikTok thinks my dog's ugly because every time I post him, he only gets like 10 likes.
Line in his beat.
This is a Doberman. They are not mean, they're absolutely adorable, and they're the nicest things around. They would never hurt you. But these, on the other hand, are the worst things ever created.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Migo, can you say what's up? No, you just rolling around. Say what's up. Yes!
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mama.
Hi, too.
Bye, Mommy.
Thank you.
Fox, can you give Strike a kiss? Good girl. And can you give Trip a kiss? Give Trip a kiss. Good girl. And can you give Daddy a kiss? Yes, good girlie. Well,
Good girl. Good girl. You listen so much better than Larry because you got your shot collar on. What's all over your face? Is that dirt, pretty girl? Is that dirt? Larry, come. Larry, I'm putting this collar on you. Larry, come. He's lost his mind. Let's go, Larry. Larry, come. Larry! Come on, goddamn it, motherfucking cocksucking son of a fucking bitch! Fair enough.
Bro, you good? What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this? Become this? Become this?
No, I'm gonna eat you, Hermes. Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah.
Alrighty, someone in the comments said that I should try the scalp massager on my dog. This is Lucy. Alright, Lucy, ready? Sit. Sit, Lucy. Good girl. Alright, you ready? I heard it changes your life. Are you ready, Lucy? No! Calm down. There you go. Calm. Sit. Sit.
What the
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет на-на-на-на-на-на-на, и ты-би-би-би-би, я сегодня напьюсь, у меня выходной, на-на-на-на-на, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence,
Why are you so afraid of that?
Please, Archie.
Archie,
Please.
no.
Don't
please.
run.
Please, Archie, please.
Don't run.
Stop. Archie, please.
No.
Please, Archie, come here. Please, Archie. It's really dangerous, buddy.
You're gonna break the glass on the floor.
It's gonna slip out of his mouth and it's gonna break. I have a feeling it's gonna.
Do you want a treat?
No, don't say that because he'll drop the glass. Archie, come here.
Maybe he won't.
He drops everything. Remember when you give him something? He's just gonna drop it. It's gonna.
Are there any puppies?
one more time. Tell me what to do. Wee. Wee. One more time. Wee.
Dior, why you being so bad? Stay in your cage and stop crying. Go in there. Just stay in there. Nope, you're not getting out. You're not getting out. What the? What the? Bro, what? That's how you be getting out at night?
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет на-на-на-на-на.
Fair enough. Yeah, I mean, fair enough. I'm a little lost, but fair enough.
You know, like,
I have no fucking clue what you just said, but hell yeah, man. I'm gonna speak my truth.
But fair enough. That's the tat. Fair
Yeah,
enough.
fair enough, yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah, there you go. Fair enough.